The year was 1898. Wilmington, North Carolina was thriving. It was the largest city in the state, and it had a multiracial government: Black aldermen, Black policemen, Black professionals. It was a Reconstruction success story, and white supremacists wanted it destroyed. The Democratic Party launched a campaign of fear. They called it redemption. They spread lies about Black men threatening white women. They printed cartoons mocking Black leaders. They warned that white rule must be restored by any means necessary. On November 8th, 1898, the Democrats won the state election. But Wilmington's local government remained biracial, so they planned a coup. 2 days later, on November 10th, white mobs marched into Wilmington. They burned the Black owned newspaper. They forced elected officials to resign at gunpoint. They murdered dozens of Black residents in the streets. And they installed their own leaders, unelected, unchallenged, unpunished. This was not a riot, it was a massacre. It was not spontaneous, it was organized. And it was the only successful coup d'etat in United States history. The white press called it a victory. They praised the mob, they erased the dead, and they rewrote the story for generations to come. Black survivors fled the city. Families were separated. Businesses were lost. And the memory of Black political power in Wilmington was buried. For decades, textbooks ignored it. Politicians denied it. And the descendants of the victims were left with silence. But the truth remained. Wilmington had been a beacon of Black progress, and it was destroyed to protect white supremacy. The coup of 1898 was not just about one city. It was a warning to every Black community in America. No matter how successful, how peaceful, how lawful, you could still be erased. They tried to erase it. They tried to silence it, but we are still here, still telling the truth. If this episode challenged what you thought you knew, don't keep it to yourself. Push it forward. Start the conversation they tried to silence. This is Black Justice Untold. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.